Gavinesh and Dashanika.
Our first graduate from Sikh and Armstrong is Adashwar Singh Chauhan. He loves playing soccer, painting and reading books. He will be in SK Tunku Abdul Malik in January. His ambition is to be a doctor.
Next in line is Arizara Singh Khan. Her hobby is drawing. She will be studying in SK Konan Kulim in Standard 1. She would like to be a teacher when she grows up.
Let's welcome Ashwin Vigneswaran on stage. He loves playing football during his free time. You can see him at FJKT Sargabani next year. His dreams to be a teacher.
Let's call upon Darin Kesavan. He enjoys the art of coloring. You can meet him at SJKT Ladangwalasi in January. He wants to be a police officer when he grows up.
Our next graduate is Jafid Kunafilan. He spends his free time playing tennis. He will be in SK Tunku Abdul Malik in Standard 1. His ambition is to be a pilot.
He will be studying at SJKT Sargabani next year. She wants to be a lawyer when she grows up.
Let's welcome Kritish Vigneswaran on stage. His hobbies are jogging and swimming. You can see him at FJKT Ladangwalasi in January. His dream job is to be an engineer.
Let's call upon Mithran Saranraj. He enjoys cycling during free time. You can meet him at SK Tunku Abdul Malik in Standard 1. He wants to be a dentist when he grows up.
Our next graduate is Nichan Kogilan. He loves cycling. He will be in SK Tunku Abdul Malik next year. His ambition is to be a teacher.
Next in line is Oishka Jiwanathan. He shows interest in fixing Legos and playing games. He will be studying at SJKT Kulim in January. He would like to be a pilot when he grows up.
Let's welcome Bhagavi Jaya Filan on stage. Her hobby is drawing. You can see her at FK Kodvan Kulim in Standard 1. Her dream is to be a teacher.
Let's call upon Purisa Sir Vikram Pandyan. She loves dancing. You can meet her at SJKT Sargabani next year. She wants to be an athlete when she grows up.
Next in line is Sanjeev Dhanabalan. He loves playing cricket. He will be in FJKT Sargabani next year. His ambition is to be a police officer.
Let's welcome Tashina Saravanan on stage. She loves cycling and reading books. During her free time, she will be studying in SK Konan Kulim in Standard 1. She would like to be a nurse when she grows up.
Our next graduate is Tashwan Ilango. He spends his free time reading books. You can see him at SK Tunku Abdul Malik next year. His dream job is to be a pilot.
Next in line is Tejaswini Tamilarasan. She enjoys cycling. You can meet her at SDKT Kulim in January. She wants to be a police officer when she grows up.
Let's welcome Teshini Illanovan on stage. She enjoys watching television in her free time. She will be in FJKT Kulem in Standard 1. Her ambition is to be a company CEO.
Let's call upon Chuka Ivan Hans. He is interested in cricket and playing with toys. You can see him at SDKT Ladangwalasi in January. His dream job is to be a police officer.
Next in line is Avinash Nagarajan. His hobbies is reading books. You can meet him at FJKT Ladangwalasi in Standard 1. He wants to be an engineer when he grows up.
The last graded from class 6 and Armstrong is Suhasan Maharan. He has a strong interest in cars. He will be in SJKT Kulim next year. His dream job is to be police officer.